Hello, everyone. Today I came with some exciting insights on the tech job market in 2025. In my last video, I discussed how the job market in the USA will evolve, and if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend you check it out. It's packed with valuable information. Now, let's dive into today's video. We'll be exploring the booming growth in tech jobs, the challenges posed by skill shortages, the rising importance of upskilling, and the programming languages most in demand. We'll also touch on the impact of AI and automation, and what this means for both tech professionals and companies. Now, let's dive into today's video. We're going to explore the booming growth in tech jobs, how skill shortages are affecting the industry, and why upskilling is becoming so important. Plus, we'll look at which programming languages will be in high demand and how AI and automation will shape the future of tech roles. Tech job growth and demand. The global demand for tech talent is expected to skyrocket. In the U.S. alone, we are looking at an impressive increase in tech job openings, with projections suggesting the tech industry will add millions of new roles by 2034. U.S. tech jobs are set to grow faster than other sectors, with 7.1 million tech jobs projected by 2034. This growth is faster than most other industries, reflecting the increasing reliance on technology across all sectors. From healthcare to finance, entertainment to government, technology is the backbone that drives innovation. This expansion is especially visible in areas like cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, and AI development, where businesses are aggressively seeking skilled workers. Impact of AI and automation. Another key trend influencing the tech job market is the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. While many fear that automation might lead to job losses, the reality is that AI and automation are creating new roles. As companies adopt AI-driven solutions, there will be a growing demand for skilled workers who can build, maintain, and improve these systems. Roles such as AI specialists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers will be in high demand, with companies looking for professionals who can not only develop the algorithms, but also understand their ethical implications and integration into the broader organizational structure. Skills shortage and talent gap. However, despite this demand for tech talent, a significant challenge looms. A massive skills gap exists in the tech sector, with more than 90% of companies expected to experience difficulties finding qualified professionals by 2026. The rapid pace of technological advancement has created a mismatch between the skills companies need and the skills available in the job market. This gap is not just about technical know-how, but also about adapting to new technologies and methodologies. Companies are scrambling to find workers with expertise in emerging fields like blockchain, quantum computing, and advanced machine learning. This shortage is likely to create a highly competitive job market, where employers will need to offer attractive compensation packages, flexible working conditions, and growth opportunities to secure top talent. If businesses are not able to fill these positions, they risk falling behind in an increasingly tech-dependent world. Upskilling and reskilling, the key to closing the gap. As per the Tech Target report, 48% of tech organizations are focusing on upskilling rather than new hires. In response to the upskilling and reskilling, the key to closing the gap, many organizations are focusing on upskilling and reskilling their existing workforce. Instead of seeking entirely new hires, companies are investing in their current employees to ensure they stay ahead of the curve. Training programs, certifications, and on-the-job learning are becoming more common as companies recognize that it is more cost-effective and productive to train their existing employees than to search for hard-to-find new talent. Upskilling initiatives are especially prevalent in cloud technologies, where workers are being trained to work with platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These platforms are growing in importance as more businesses migrate to the cloud, and having professionals who understand how to deploy, manage, and scale cloud services is essential. With the rise of cloud computing, the demand for roles such as cloud architects, cloud security engineers, and DevOps professionals is also increasing. Programming languages in demand. When it comes to the specific skills that are in demand, programming languages continue to play a crucial role. Python remains at the top of the list, given its versatility and wide application in data science, machine learning, and web development. It's not just about learning a language, though. It's about understanding the broader ecosystem and how these languages interact with technologies like cloud computing, AI, and big data. AWS, Amazon Web Services, is another key player in the job market. AWS certifications are highly valued because they demonstrate a level of expertise that is in short supply. Other platforms like Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud are also experiencing rapid growth, driving demand for professionals with cloud-specific skills. Similarly, Java and JavaScript remain staples in the tech industry, especially for software development, with Java still holding a strong foothold in enterprise applications. The role of remote work. One of the most significant changes in the job market has been the widespread shift toward remote work. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this trend, but it's likely to continue in 2025 and beyond. Many tech companies are embracing a hybrid model where employees can work from anywhere, leading to a broader talent pool. This shift is allowing tech professionals to work with companies across the globe, removing geographical barriers to employment. For workers, this means more opportunities and flexibility in terms of where and how they work. For businesses, it means they can recruit from a global talent pool, increasing their chances of finding the right fit for their needs. However, this also brings challenges, such as managing a remote workforce, fostering company culture, and ensuring productivity. Salaries and job benefits. As the demand for tech talent increases, so too do salaries. Tech professionals, especially those with expertise in high-demand areas like AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing, can expect competitive compensation packages. Many companies are offering not only higher salaries but also attractive benefits like flexible work hours, professional development opportunities, and health and wellness programs. For top talent, this means the ability to negotiate lucrative deals, and for employers, it means investing more in retaining skilled workers. Preparing for the future. For those considering a career in tech or looking to make a career shift, now is the time to act. The future looks bright for anyone with a strong technical background, and the demand for skilled professionals is only going to rise in the next decade. However, it's important to stay agile. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and keeping up to date with the latest trends, tools, and languages is essential for career growth. As we look to the future, the tech job market in 2025 will be characterized by growth, innovation, and competition. The demand for skilled professionals will continue to rise across a range of technologies, and companies will have to invest in training and development to fill the skills gap. The best advice for tech professionals is to focus on continual learning and adaptability to remain relevant in this fast-moving industry. The tech industry offers immense opportunities, and those who embrace the challenge of acquiring new skills will be well-positioned to thrive in this exciting future. If you found this video insightful, I'd truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel for more such content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your network so others can also benefit from these insights. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us grow together as a community. Thank you so much.